We've just spent a little bit of time working with jQuery and using various selectors to be able to manipulate our page. Before we go on any farther, I just want to point out some resources that'll be helpful to you. The first one is finding out which selectors you can actually use. If you visit the jQuery page and search for selectors, or you can come to this web address right here, api.jquery.com/category/selectors. It'll go ahead and it'll take you to a portion of the website that basically is going to allow you to see the various selectors that are available. So if we scroll down here, it's going to give you a huge long list of all sorts of selectors, and we'll be using many of these as we kind of continue through the course. But I just want to show you a couple things. For instance, if we go and find the even selector, which is one that we used in the last exercise, I can go ahead and I can click on even selector if I want a little bit more information about this particular selector. So here we are on the even selector page, and you can tell that it's going to give a description, selects even elements, zero indexed, also see odd. In particular, note that zero-based indexing means that counterintuitively even selects the first element, third element, and so far within the match set. So we saw that actually happening in the last exercise, and then it gives you an example of how this would actually work and what it's going to look like. So this is a really awesome resource. Another thing that I like is if I go back here, you can tell that the even selector is a basic filter, and if I click basic filter, this will actually give me a list of all of the basic filters that are available. So you can see that here's the first selector, we used that one, we used the odd selector, and then there's some other ones that we didn't use but that are within this set. So again, if you want a list of what all the selectors are, this will probably have more information than you actually need, but it's definitely a useful resource for you to have.